shit. Alright. Seriously, take a video. We got us a lot of fucking. I don't know if you can see it in the distance. That's the distance. Go this way. Alright. Holy shit. Will you look at that? That's a Civic. That's a big snowplow. Did you see that thing?
Yeah.
Holy
shit. They pulled all the county ones out the only ones they have left in state. These people just got in their cars.
Who? Where?
That silver.
Oh, yeah, that's gonna happen. We ought to warn them. But we won't.
No.
Let them freeze. They piss me off. Son of a bitch. Shit.
Look at the snow that's between my window and my screen.
Snow curtain. This is still video right here, Shay. Any commentary for your first snowstorm in your car?
My poor car. I haven't even gotten to drive him that much, and here he is, buried.
I say, son of a bitch.